Good morning, here I, Aryan Gupta, going to represent voice over video presentation on the topic education and language of Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. So here we will cover first importance of education in our life, then importance of language in our life, then education system, exam pattern and recent results of Gujarat, GSEB and Chhattisgarh CGBSC, and then fourth point about language of Gujarat and importance of Gujarat language in education, and about language of Chhattisgarh and importance of Chhattisgarh language in education. So here we will start importance of education in our life. Proper and good education is very important for all of us. It facilitates quality learning all through the life among people of any age group, caste, creed, religion and region. It is the process of achieving knowledge, values, skills, beliefs and moral habits. People need to get high level awareness about the importance of knowledge more than before. Education is very necessary for each and everyone in order to improve knowledge, way of living as well as social and economic status throughout the life. Getting proper education is the birthright of everyone, resisting which is the crime. Education is the ultimate way to get victory over all the personal and social problems. Education is very important to all of us. It plays very important roles in our life. In order to live a better and peaceful life, we need to be educated. It transforms us completely from inside and outside by changing our mind and personally as well as improving our confidence level. It changes our life completely as it is constructive in nature. It helps a person to get knowledge and improve confidence level all through the life. It plays a great role in our career growth as well as personal growth. It has no limitation about good and bad any age things. An educated person having good education becomes a good citizen in the society. We all want to see our kids going towards success, which is only possible through the good and proper education. Every parent tells their kids from childhood about the importance of education in life and the advantages of education to make their mind towards better study in the future. Make your kids and children habitual of writing essay, participating in debate and discussion and many more skills enhancing activities in the school or at home using such essays. Importance of language in our life. Language helps us express our feelings and thoughts. Is unique to our species because it is a way to express unique ideas and the custom within different cultures and societies. By learning a different language, you can understand ideas through that may be different from your own culture. Education system, exam pattern and recent results of Gujarat, GSEB. The Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board or GSEB is a government of Gujarat body responsible for determining the policy related administrative and cognitive intellectual direction and state secondary and higher secondary education systems. The main responsibles of the board includes academics, conducting examination and research and development. The board is responsible for registration and administration of higher secondary and secondary school in the state government, state of Gujarat. The Gujarat board was formed on the basis of Gujarat Secondary Education Act 1972 and conducts the state level exam. The main academic task of GSEB is the preparation of syllabus for secondary school and also the recommendation of textbooks to taught in the government school as well as registered private schools. The board also performs the duties of recognizing new schools' performance, evaluation of school and inspection of various schools. The GSEB conducts two main examinations including 4 semester examination. The secondary school certificate SSC exam for standard 10 and the higher secondary school certificate HSC examination for standard 11 and 12 student in Gujarat. The board also holds a talent search of students of standard 8 and 9 in 5 major subjects every year. It divided into 2 major parts. Recently, GSEB has changed the state level examination from JEE Mains to GUJCET. The results of class 10th or 12th have repeatedly been poor, especially in the results for 12th. Boards declared in 2020 are really poor with very low pass percentage. The board has been found irresponsible with the answer sheets of students appearing for boards. The faculty in the most Gujarat boards schools are not up to the mark. It fails to provide exposure to its students. Education system, exam pattern and recent results of Chhattisgarh CGPSC. The Chhattisgarh Board of Secondary Education CGPSC is the education board in the state of Chhattisgarh. After the formation of Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh Secondary Education Board was constituted by the Chhattisgarh Government School Education Department notification number F10-5-5/13/2001, Raipur, 27 July 2001. The Chhattisgarh Board of Secondary Education was found to improve the quality of education in the state by promoting and developing secondary education in the state. The main role of the CGO board is to conduct the class 10th and 12th exam for the schools affected by the Chhattisgarh board across the state. CG board is the state agency of government of Chhattisgarh in India responsible for promotion and development of secondary education in Chhattisgarh. CGPSC conducts the examination for the class 10th and 12th every year in the month of March. The results are declared by the end of May. The Chhattisgarh board thrives to improve the quality of education in the affiliated schools. In general, the pass percentage of CGPSC board is good and is increasing in the past couple of months. The detail of overall pass percentage of girls and the pass percentage of boys of CG board are given below in next slide. About language of Gujarat and importance of Gujarat language in education. Gujarat is set on the western coast of India with coastline of 1600 kilometers 900 mi, most of the which lies in the Kacheswar Peninsula and population of 60.4 billion. It is the 5th largest Indian state of India and 9th largest state by population. Gujarat is a border of Rajasthan and northern Nagara Haveli, Daman and Diu in the south. Maharashtra is to the southwest Madhya Pradesh in the state, while the largest state is Ahmedabad and the Gujarati people in the state. In the language, Gujarati is the state's official language. The economic of Gujarat is the 5th largest in India with gross state domestic product GDP of 16.5 trillion US $230 billion and has the country 11th highest GDP per capita income. Gujarat ranks 21st among India states in Human Development Index. The state traditionally has low unemployment, is widely considered one of the most industrially developed states of India and a manufacturing hub. The state encompasses some sites of ancient Indus Valley civilization and Lothal, Gola Dhoro Lothal believed in the one of the first sea schools. Gujarat's coastal city Chief Bharuch and Kambal served as the port trading centers of Gupta empires, and during the succession of royal Saka dynasties from the western eastern Sahara along with Bihar and Nagaland, Gujarat is the Indian state to prohibit the sales of alcohol. The Gir Forest National Park in the Gujarat is home and only wild population of the eastern land in the world. About language of Chhattisgarh and importance of Chhattisgarh language in education. Chhattisgarh is an Indo-Aryan language spoken by the 80 million of people in India, in Indian state of Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarhi has been known for name Kalakati to surrounding hill. People and by the name of Gloria speakers in Night Boundary region of Odisha. The speakers are concentrated in the Indian state of Chhattisgarh and in adjacent area Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Jharkhand. Chhattisgarhi culture and political movements with origin from the 1920 affirmed Chhattisgarhi linguistic and cultural identity and sought greatest autonomy within the Indian, finally given statehood on the 1st November 2000. Instead of Aseam, children in the tribal region of Chhattisgarh will soon be learning Ase Aak Ka Patta, people or sacred pig leaf. In around 19,000 Anganwadis across the state, the Chhattisgarh government going to start the teaching preschool children in 10 different tribal languages. The 10 language we have including in the program are Gondi, Halbi, Madhya Bhatri, Dhruva, Dorli, Singrauli, Singujia, Sargujia, Sadri and Kurup. Said Siddharth Komal Pardesi, Secretary, Women and Child Development Department. Among the other responsibilities, the Anganwadis work as the pre-primary school for children. Till now, Chhattisgarh have not applied any specific language for students to learn. So I conclude here. I think I have given sufficient information about language and education of Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. So thank you and have a nice day. By Aryan Gupta, 11 Commerce.